If you're planning a wedding for 2026, then these are the trends that you need on your mood board right now. These are what's defining modern weddings and you're going to see all year long. First and foremost, chrome is everywhere. You're going to be seeing silver, stainless steel, and chrome just about everywhere, but it's going to be very modern, clean, cool. So stainless steel finishes, silver chargers, metallic accents, reflective decor that catches the light, pairs perfectly with whites, soft florals, or even some bold color palettes. This trend works especially well for modern city or evening weddings, and it photographs so well. Next up is cocktail buffets. We actually saw some of this in 2025, but it's not going anywhere. So the traditional cocktail hour is here to stay. However, it's set up a little bit differently. So couples are leaning into that grazing table idea, but instead it's going to be a styled buffet type setup with stations using plinths and risers, and there's going to be lots of glassware and trays, table linens, signage, a lot of flexibility here. This is where a lot of specific color palettes are going to come into play, so you get to have a lot of fun here. Next up are ground meadows. You might ask yourself, well, what the heck's a ground meadow? It is the aisleway, the runway of a wedding ceremony. But this is going to be a little bit more dramatic. So you're going to see lots of ground florals, meadow style aisle arrangements, and low profile installs that feel very editorial and fashion forward. So in addition to towering arches, focus will also be on some movement, texture, and design that feels very intentional along the entire walkway towards the bride and the groom. The next trend we're seeing are very artsy and surreal florals. Florals in 2026 are less traditional and way more artistic. So you're going to see lots of sculptural calla lilies, gravity-defying arrangements, dramatic hanging floral chandeliers, and statement florals used as decor, not just as centerpieces. Lots of creativity here, big impact. Even a few of these bold floral moments can completely transform a wedding venue. Next up are sculptural installations. So these are replacing standard backdrops and arches, and you're going to see these more in high-end weddings, but modern frames, you're going to see lots of abstract structures. These pieces create real big focal points for ceremonies, sweetheart tables, and lots of photography moments. But they're bold, architectural, and perfect for couples who want their decor to feel like art. This one is a favorite of mine. It is the Rococo Revival. It is back. It's very Bridgerton, so expect a lot of ornate tablescapes, intricate details, lots of layered linens, French toile, luxurious textures, lots of opulence. It still can feel soft with, curves and drama, but it's going to be over the top. These 2026 wedding trends are all about personality, design, unforgettable moments. There is no minimalism here anymore. So save this for your planning and explore some decor over at eFavormart to help kind of bring your vision to life.